Freddy's in there with Taylor.
Mama, let's go. Mom.
Yeah? Yeah. Matchstick models.
What? How do they do this stuff?
Wow.
Crazy.
There's lots of detail on there.
That's London.
Is it, Mom?
No, that's a church.
It's like a cathedral or something.
Church.
Canterbury Cathedral, that's what that is.
Right. Anyway, let's go see the animals now.
All right.
Look
Look at that big wooden bear.
Right, can we go see?
Yeah. Look at this, got a toilet. It's a toilet. Go sit on the toilet. Sit on the toilet. Riley, come sit on the toilet. Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. Let's have a look at the keeper cottage.
Go see the animals now.
Of the Atlantic Seaboard, and President Roosevelt has recently made it clear that he would like to discuss with us.
Oh, don't look very comfortable, does it?
And with Newfoundland, the development of American
speakers?
facilities in Newfoundland and in the West Indies.
Oh, wait.
Those are ducks. I never realised those
Did it
ducks
say
were there.
hello to me?
I didn't realise those ducks were there.
Hello.
I bet they want to get out.
Stop their head in the bag until most of the trees. Mum, there's this sheep that's dunk his head in the bag and look what he's done.
No more, guys, no more.
Right, can we?
Mommy, how would you get all the way up there?
You can't get up there.
Well, it wouldn't actually look like, the stuff you see are probably what it looks like, but all the other bits will be like in different rooms.
Oh, Mum. I
Hmm?
could just be sitting here and imagine what it's like. Your You just swore on video. No, we can't upload that to YouTube.
Go,
Oh, they got freaky puppets as well, hanging from the ceiling.
Woo!